In this video, I'm going to go over how to attempt your chapter tests. Chapter tests have 2 attempts, and the higher of the 2 attempts will be used as your grade. So when you start a test, and this is the screen that you will see for the first attempt. So you click start, then you will see questions listed here, and then each question. So I have only 2 questions in this sample test, and there will be a bunch of true false and multiple choice questions, and there will be some problems as well. Then you make your choice. Okay, then it will tell you that you have made the choice but you have not submitted the answer. So you have to make the choice and submit the answer. So click submit. All right, so you have answered and it has been submitted. So this is unanswered. So let's go in there, and then so this is a problem. So I'm going to just type in some numbers, and this will be wrong, but I just want to show you how you take the test, right? So now when you have multiple parts like this, you can submit individual parts by clicking the submit button, or you can submit the whole thing by clicking submit all parts. Okay. And submit all parts. Okay, so now I have completed. So before you end the exam, you review all the questions here and make sure that you have answered all of them, and you don't have a warning sign like not submitted for a question. Okay, so once it is done, then you click end exam. So it will give you a warning that once you end the exam, you will not be able to go back and change your answers. So if you have not ended the exam, then you can go back and change your answer if you like. So once you're sure that you want to end the exam, click OK, and that will give you a summary of what you have made. Okay, so then you can go and review. Okay, so this is the answer I gave and it is wrong. Then I can see question number 2, what answers I gave and whether it is right or not, and then it gives you the expected answer as well. Okay. So here now go back to results, and then once you have reviewed, and you exit the exam. So it's done. Now if you want to avail of the second attempt, then you go back to the test. Okay, click the chapter test. Now this time it'll give you the first attempt. You can go back and review the attempt if you like. Okay, so it's going to show you the same front, the summary results, and you can go in and review, or you can say I want to start a new attempt. Start a new attempt, and again you see the same screen like before, and you go through your answers, and I'm going to end the exam. Right, again you see the same summary, and you exit the exam. You're done. So you have now finished 2 attempts. You're allowed only 2 attempts. Now after completing the 2 attempts, if you go back to the test, you will see both the attempts. Now you won't see the button for another attempt because you're allowed only 2, and you can review the attempts here.